actually running?
It's running.
Okay.
So we're on our way to our first night away in the van. We're going to a campsite called Newhall Farm. It's not too far away from us, so it's not a big trip, but we hope we've got everything with us. We feel ready for this. We've been waiting for ages. It's been such a long time since we've been away in a van, a long time since we had our T6. Really looking forward to seeing what the ISO top's like, because we've got that fitted now, it's with us. We've got a new mattress upstairs, we'll talk to you about that later. We're going to go on a nice walk, hopefully. The sky's looking a bit bad, but we don't care. We've got walking boots, we've got waterproofs.
I've got my emergency poncho.
There's an emergency poncho. We're all good to go. So hopefully we've got everything with us. We'll see. Dog seems happy, she's asleep. Let's see how we get on. So first beer in the van, camping.
Yes.
Cheers. People watching has started already.
Dog's sunning herself, having a good sniff of the breeze, beautiful countryside,
What more
roofs
could you want?
up, awnings out,
What more could you want?
all good. And it's not raining yet. In a later video we'll show you the different mattress that we've got, because we're going to give it a test tonight and see how that goes. But for now I decided to buy these Sea to Summit little inflatable cushions that quite nicely fit on the chair. So just letting it inflate. They roll up, you sort of halve it and then they deflate, roll it up, and so you end up with a little pack about like that, which we just keep in the van, and yeah, it just makes sitting a little bit more comfortable, which has always got to be a good thing.
Right, where are we off to?
Edingley, I think.
Edingley? Is that the local place then?
Yeah, Reindeer Pub.
Reindeer? What, they got reindeers there?
No, it's just called the Reindeer. Oh. Hang on, I'm being pulled by the dog.
Bye! The only problem with this campsite is the hill. You have to walk back up to the top, but the views are absolutely epic when you get there. Here are the nice clean facilities at Newhall Farm with big showers and plenty of sinks. The information hut has loads of great maps of walks, and there's even some nice ice cream to buy. Just going to give you a bit of insight into kind of how we pack and camp and everything else and bring things with us. So we've got these Amazon Basics kind of cloth bags, clothing bags, and this has got a long sleeve top in just for later, but we've also got inside the wardrobe, you'll probably see there's a load more of them. So Sarah tends to have green ones, I tend to have red ones, so we know whose is whose. Got one with underwear in, and I tend to put kind of bottoms, so trousers and shorts and everything in another, and Sarah does similar, so quite handy just for making sure you can get to stuff when you've got it inside the main wardrobe.
It's the inaugural lighting of the stove in the new van. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, cooking on gas. She stayed on.
So what are we having?
Tonight we are having some Cajun chicken grills, a bit of pasta, a bit of pesto and some peas. So quite nice and easy. Thought we'd have the new Ridgemont ago to have to cook the chicken rather than get the barbecue out. It's getting a little bit chilly outside, so Will, being a bit nesh, has decided that it's far easier to cook in the van. But we've got everything, so we're ready to go.
Half movement.
Hold on.
Total eclipse.
It's pretty safe to say that the brand drop is dark.
The isotop is so dark, isn't it? We've got the lights on upstairs, and this is what you can see. And when we switch them off, it is pitch black. Absolutely pitch black. It's really warm. I'm thinking about opening a window. It's only like 15-16 degrees outside, but it is so warm up here. It's lovely and toasty. It really is. So yeah, should be a good night's sleep hopefully. And we've also just seen that we've tipped over 100 subscribers for the channel, so a massive thank you to everyone who's subscribed. Really appreciate it. Can't believe it's taken off this well. So yeah, lots of
good nights ahead, I think.
Yeah.
So all good.
Good night, all. How did you find Newhall Farm then, Will?
I think Newhall Farm is amazing. It's such a great campsite. Really loved it there. Had a brilliant time. It's really good for dog walks. Fantastic shower block. Really clean. Really friendly. Quiet at night as well. I know it's adults only, but you know, it was probably 10 o'clock at night. Everything got dark. Everyone was really respectful. It was lovely and quiet. You could hear the owls in the trees. Just amazing. What a great first night away in the van. And topped off as well by the 100 subscribers. We've beaten the 100 subscribers. Absolutely amazing. Thank you so much to everybody. Just a fantastic weekend all round, and we can't wait to make more videos, and we really hope that you like them. If you did like this trip and you did like what you see here, then please like and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon for some more California time.